Thumbs up, ready to go?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
My grandma. I'll be grandma.
Yes! Isn't that cool? Look, there's a submarine. You see the Blackbird, the black plane in the front? That's my favorite plane when I was a kid. We're gonna go on there, guys. Your color.
Yellow? Alright, you got the yellow. Blue, green, or purple? Blue? Green or purple?
Purple? Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Turtle, and so you put a plane on it, you attach it to it, the steam pressure builds up, and this rod,
That thing has to catch that thing to land on the flight deck. That's crazy.
attach it to this plane, we can catch up to 6. Press a button, control all 6 missiles to 6 different targets at about 100 miles away.
$6 million worth.
No, yeah, $6 million worth of missiles.
Hi guys!
Hi.
Questions, feel free to ask. Want to steer the ship? Go right ahead.
Steer the ship, Jake. That's the steering wheel. So you look behind you. There's all these phones.
But I don't want to live here.
How do you want to try? Oh, here we go.
Houston, how do you read Enterprise?
Ready, guys?
Enterprise Houston, will you read your line clear? How are you deploying clear?
Go.
Very fine.
Go look.
905 Enterprise Houston is going for takeoff.
What is that? Whoa, we're under the wing.
Oh, look at that humongous line.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. How do we get in?
I don't know. Papa's right here, Adi. Flag bridge and navigating bridge.
Oh, look at that downstairs.
Whoa, it's so dark in here.
Oh, so
Whoa, that's the map, how they navigate. Looks like pizza pies, right?
yeah, looks like pizza. What's that?
Some kind of communication. Yeah, let's go downstairs and get some caca. Oh, this is where they steer the ship. Then Ani, and then you. Careful.
Guys, look down.
You can't hold it. Whoa, it's all red light in here. This is like the war room.
Yeah, it's like the blood room.
The blood room. These are all the radios. And I'm gonna take Adi with me, okay? Excuse me, Sudi. No, Adi, wait. Papa's gonna go first. And remember, the guy said go down backwards, okay? But I'm not out there. Come on, Adi. Papa, na yan. You cannot. It's so steep. Come on.
Like this? Go backwards?
Yeah.
Like this?
Like Appa, like this. See?
Can you?
Hold the railing. Good job, guys.
Chicky, wait. No. Papa said 1 minute. Okay, now go.
Wait for Jake.
Papa, watch.
Nice job, Noah.
No, go.
What was your favorite part about the boat so far? Hi. Is this where you take the...
My favorite part was the part when we went a lot of the stairs.
Oh, that was really cool. How about yours, Jake?
I'm gonna have 2 teams.
Okay.
Going inside the helicopter and seeing the airplanes and buying toys.
Adi, what was your favorite part? Looking inside your card?
Looking inside.
They think it's so cool. Hi, Liz.
Hey, bud. Is he? No, right?
No, no.
No. I was showing you an example, not taking over your job.
Yeah, my wrist is hurting.
You're really good at this. That's a lot of eggs.
Yeah, at different stations.
He's teaching me how to crack eggs right.
Yeah.
Yeah. How much? Put everything. Okay. What do I do next? Some eggs. I don't know. I asked Mike. Mike, can you please help us here? I mean, just tell us what to do.
Whoa. Just me? Oh.
Here, bring your station over here and here.
Only one way to find out.
I didn't know I was taking the lead on this.
Oh, that was good.
This was like
Sisters together.
Oh gosh.